Hi, we're here today at Printwear and Promotion Live 2025, and I'm joined on the Wilcom International stand by Twan Lentjes. Twan, welcome to Wilcom.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mir.
Twan, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about your business, Twan Lentjes Creations.
So I'm a digital embroiderer and a costume maker, which I mainly do for film work and TV. So yeah, but that's in short what I do.
Fantastic. And then how did you get started?
So I did my, I was an amateur sewer, and then I decided to go back to university. So I went to Wimbledon College of Arts. And for my final year, I was to do an embroidered student, something like this one. And then I got in touch with Wilcom to help me out. Yeah, that's sort of how I got into the whole thing of embroidery.
Fantastic. And can you tell us a little bit about the kind of work that you're working on with money?
I can't say specifically what I'm doing right now. I have worked on things such as Disney The Little Mermaid, Queen Charlotte. I worked on the costumes for Wednesday on Netflix. The latest massive one was Wicked, with the second film coming out later this year.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much. And finally, Twan, would you mind telling us about this wonderful ornament that was standing next to them?
So this was it's called the Habit à la Française, which is a suit in the French style, late 18th century. And I really wanted to create something like this for myself. After I seen a version at the B&A. And last year I added a coat, and the year before I did the breeches and the waistcoat. To walk with the Quailers in Pride, in the Pride March in London. So it incorporates all the rainbow colours, the trans representation is there, the Dutch heritage in the tulips. So yeah, it's
fantastic. And how sounds like you're working these golf for years.
Yeah. So the coat alone took me, I think, 2 months to digitize, embroider, and sew it all together. The waistcoats and the breeches, they'll be like a month in terms. Yeah, it's a lot of work. And this I did at uni already. The shirts and this neck stuff, so I didn't have to read that.
That is just incredible. Twan, thank you very much for joining us at the stand, and we look forward to seeing you again next year. So thank you.